PolyMax PETG offers better mechanical properties than any other regular PETG, making it a good candidate for a wide range of applications. PolyMax PETG is an extremely well-balanced filament, offering slightly less durability and stiffness than PolyMax PLA, but making up for it with extra heat resistance and weather resistance. PolyMax PETG features an improved fracture toughness thanks to Polymaker's nano-reinforcement technology, which enhances the durability of PETG, producing a very well-rounded filament. PolyMax PETG is commonly applied in brackets, spare parts, end-use products or functional prototypes, thanks to its good layer adhesion and ease of post-processing. Offering an extra 20 degrees heat resistance than PLA, PolyMax PETG is the go-to filament for practical parts.